Hello everyone, Mike Oakrid here. Hey, so I'm sitting here thinking about something that comes up quite a bit, and that is credit repair. Mike, how do I repair my credit? A bankruptcy, divorce, I just had bad credit, had some late payments or something like that. And they're like, oh, I got to go buy this or that. And you don't have to buy anything to have great stellar credit. Okay, you can take your own money to build your credit, and other than some interest you're going to pay, you'll get all of this money back. Okay, so here's one thing that you can do. Take $1,500 of your own money for $500 a piece. Go to a bank that will allow you to open up a secured line of credit. Okay, Ent is a bank, as an example, that will do that. So you can actually go into a bank, say, hey, I want to open up, I want a secured loan, and I want to borrow $500. And here's the $500. So you hand them the $500. They're going to open up your savings account, and then they're going to say, sir, ma'am, where would you like us to deposit the money that we're going to give you, which is $500? And you say, well, open up a checking account. So the money they give you, the $500 they give you with the secured $500 that you gave them, it's going to be deposited into the checking account. And then they're going to ask, how would you like to set up and make payments on the secured, or the money that you borrowed? So all you need to do is have the payments drafted from your checking account, which they just deposited $500, and there's going to be obviously some interest that's going to be on there. And so let's just say if it's $75 a month or whatever that it is, you're going to have them deduct money, and you want it to be over 6 months. Okay, you want those payments to be over 6 months, 6 to 8 months. And so you just need to make sure that